just realize smoke gets in your eyes. Hi, I'm Lisa. I am the ukulele fool. This song has some rather intimidating chords. Yeah. But my job as a ukulele teacher is to de-intimidate those for you. Is that even a word? Let's dive in, let's get close and personal, and there is a play along at the end. I'm going to do these slowly. I'm going to exaggerate my fingers, which is not good technique, but at least you can see what's going on. This is the first section of the song, but it also repeats for the second time, and then again for the fourth section of this song. Only difference is the endings. We'll go over those as well. Here we go. See if you can play it with me. I'm doing 2 down strums per chord, nice and slowly. 1, 2, ready, begin. G and E minor 7 and A minor 7, easy D7 and G augmented C, G diminished and G major 7, E minor 7 and A minor 7, easy D7 and G. First ending goes to E minor and A minor 7 and D7. Just in case you didn't catch the G augmented, it's like a G minor 7, but it's all moved down 1 fret, down meaning closer to your body of your instrument. I use my index finger to do both the E and the A string, and then reach over with middle finger to do the C string. Sometimes I have to do this kind of like crimping motion. Instead of keeping my hand nice and round, I have to do this to really bite into those strings. You do all of that again. So let's do it all again, except the last line changes. Watch for that. 1, 2, ready, begin. G and E minor 7 and A minor 7, D7 and G augmented and C, G diminished and G major 7, E minor 7 and A minor 7, D7 and a G, C, G, B flat 7. We do that section again at the very end, and it's got an outro. So I'll take it from the E minor 7 section of this and add the outro. 1, 2, ready, begin. E minor 7 and A minor 7 and easy D7 and G and C and G and C minor and A minor 7 and B minor 7 and G again. The bridge section features some interesting chords on it, so let's take a look at that. 1, 2, ready, begin. E flat again, E flat the 3rd time, E flat the 4th time, and B flat 7, G diminished, and B flat 7, B flat 7 again, and E flat twice, and C minor, and D7, and G major 7, G, and easy D7 twice. We'll practice purposes, we're going to do that again, but you know what? Let's get a running leap at it. There's an interlude going into it, and we have to go from a B flat 7 to the E. And so at B flat 7, and I lead with my index finger, and then plop these two in. So 1, 2, ready, begin. C, G, and B flat 7 and E flat, E flat, E flat again, the fourth time, and B flat 7, G diminished, and B flat 7, B flat 7 and E flat, E flat again, and C minor, D7, and G major 7, G, and D7 twice. Well, I hope that helped you. If you're having problems with like the G major 7 or the C minor, there's an alternative way to finger those. You could finger them like a D, and for G major 7, use 3, and same thing for the C minor. Big shout out to my patrons. This was voted on in a poll. They gave me all sorts of song suggestions for the category of before 1950. And this song and Shine on Harvest Moon were the top 2 vote getters. Consider becoming a patron, supporting this channel, and getting good rewards for yourself, including my detailed chord charts. Our starting vocal pitch is a B. They, you go down, they. 1, 2, ready, begin. They asked me how I knew my true love was true. hope that this helped you on your ukulele journey and you now feel like, okay, those chords aren't so bad. I can do that. And also, just a tip, I'm just an adequate singer. There's no way that I could sound as gorgeous as the guy on the platters. So, I'm just going to be adequate and it's going to be okay. This song still communicates very well, the fact you can lose love and smoke gets in your eyes, but you'll be fine.